So you can see behind me exactly the domain where we are collaborating a lot with ECA, which is the domain of search and rescue, aiming at searching and rescuing people when they send a distress with small beacon sending a signal to Galileo satellites, and Galileo satellites retransmitting this signal to a ground station, where the ground station is in charge of detecting, demodulating, and localizing the distress, and then being able to alert any rescue team to rescue the people in distress situation. So you have this explanation there, and we will show you exactly where we are developing a lot of things with ECA on this ground station, which is absolutely revolutionary, with a new electronics inside, developed by ECA or in partnership with ECA. And this station is really different from the other ones. Since you will see standard station has to use at least 6 antennas, big dish antenna, in order to receive, detect, and localize precisely the distress, whereas our station is a full electronic station with a very small antenna, 2 meter by 2 meter only. This is the surface of this station, replacing this big field with this 6 antenna with much better accuracy, much better performances. So you will see a picture just behind me of this station. Maybe I can show you. So as I was explaining, this ground station is in charge of detecting the distress. Standard ground station is depicted here on the left side of the screen, and you can see that to detect and to localize any distress, you need at least 6 big antennas. So the surface that you need to deploy such a station is around a soccer field, like something like that. In comparison, we are developing with ECA, in partnership with ECA, a very small station here on the right side of the screen, and this small station is based on a beamforming antenna with a lot of electronic inside, and with this antenna you can track all the satellites that you have above your head. And this means that with Galileo satellites, for instance, you will see something like 10, 12 satellites seeing the same scene, seeing the distress beacon from this station. With this, seeing and using all these satellites, we'll be able to improve a lot the performances of localization of your beacon compared to this big field for standard and traditional stations. Second advantage, of course, with such a small station, of course, the operational cost is much less inferior than the other one on the standard ground station. So with this, you have better performance and much better affordable cost for people aiming at equipping with this kind of station.